Okay, so I'm going to try to show you the actions of what is going on with this Honda CR-V. When I pull the shifter down, you should be able to notice how hard that it's engaging. Let's see if you can see it on this video. I don't know if that was very visible, but it is slamming into reverse. When you go to reverse, it's a very harsh apply. And we're going to check the wiring on it. We are going to pull the codes on it, and more than likely we're going to end up putting a solenoid. But let's get the codes out of here, show them to you, and that way you'll know what you're dealing with, and maybe how to fix this transmission. Alright, so here's the codes I'm dealing with. We have a P0962 automatic transmission clutch pressure control solenoid valve A open or short. We're going to go through the wiring on this to make sure that we don't have a wiring issue. There's a lot of things that come back to being this problem, but more than likely we're going to have to put this pressure control solenoid valve A on this transmission, and we're going to show you how to get that done. Watch this video. Alright, so I'm going to hit a quick erase. We're going to see how fast these codes come back up. And the codes come right back up. Okay, so the solenoid that we're after is down underneath all of this. We're going to pull all this out. Okay, so we got down to the solenoid, and as you can see, we have broken wires. Both the wires have broken off. This may be a problem with these. We've already bought our solenoid. We got a hold of the customer, and the customer said to go ahead and replace the solenoid and fix the wires. That's what we're going to do, so keep watching here while we replace the solenoid and fix these wires and repair these wires. Okay, so when we started this video, the complaint was harsh engagement. I'm going to pull it down into reverse, and you can see the engagement is just like it's supposed to be, and drive just like it's supposed to be. We're going to take off down the road, and the shifts were really harsh, and the shifts are nice, just the way they're supposed to be. That's what we wanted. That's what we was after. You've seen the broken wires and the solenoid. We went ahead and replaced it. The customer wanted to go ahead and replace the solenoid. So I hope this video helps you. I hope you get your Honda CR-V fixed as easy as we got this one fixed. And please subscribe. This is Code Man's Auto.